Welcome to Sisters Playtime.
Hey guys, welcome back to Sisters Playtime.
I'm Melissa.
I'm Willow.
And what are we doing today? Willow went to Walmart today to get a toy, and she found Little Sisters Decoders Series 4. I am super excited. We've been waiting for these to come out, and she was so sweet, and she got me one to open too, because she's the best little sister. So, we are super excited. These are the newest ones. These are the newest Little Sisters. There's also Glam Glitter, but we haven't seen those in store. And these, we went to Walmart like 2 days ago, and they didn't have them. So they're brand new in our Walmart, which is pretty cool. So,
there's also Jumbo. I'm going to buy that next time and watch that video.
Oh, a Jumbo Squishy. Willow really wants a Jumbo Squishy. So hopefully we'll have a video soon with the Jumbo Squishy. Okay, are we ready?
Everyone
so
is excited for their store.
So we'll tell you a little bit about them. So this LOL series is a little different. You get a decoder, and then you have to decode the clue, which I think is really cool.
The decoder is in the ball.
Okay. Are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
You already had yours started.
Oh, the clue's actually big. So,
we got to get the decoder to get the clue.
Yeah. I see a little sister right here.
So this is what it looks like. Here, do you want me to show you yours? And this is Willow's. So you see you have to find the decoder to get into it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, so this is the decoder. Oh, and you have to decode, okay.
Where's my decoder?
Where's my little, there's my little sister. Did you find your decoder?
Yes, it was in this box.
So mine is Best Boo.
Mine is...
You need help? Ooh, there we go.
Sissy, what's mine?
Yours is Fashion Fan.
I want to open my bag first.
Or you open your little sister first?
No, this is my bag.
Oh, okay. So you get 3 accessories and your little sister.
Oh, so cute.
Ooh, that is so cute.
I got the little sister from, let me see the collector's guide.
Oh, yeah. And I'm pretty sure I was watching somebody else's video, and there are little boys coming in the future.
Sissy, look. A missing pet.
Oh, cool.
Oh, all of them are so cute.
They are all so cute. Okay, so let's Sissy open her bag. Ooh, Sissy thinks she got one from the Spooky Club. Look how cute that is.
Creepy.
It's so cute. Okay.
There's also a spider web and some spiders.
Okay, let's open this one now.
I'm gonna see what this is.
I got my keychain from my ball.
Sissy, look.
Guess who?
Guess who?
That's pretty cool. Yeah, so all the packaging
A
you
little
can use
surprise.
your decoders on, which is pretty cool.
Surprise.
So Willow's decoding all her packaging right now. And if you can hear little paw prints on the floor, that is my dog. She's walking around. That is my little sister.
Well, I'm guessing what it is.
Oh, okay. Since you can't open this accessory.
Sissy, look, there's a heart.
And an LOL surprise. That's so cool.
Okay, let's see.
Ooh, Sissy got little shoes. Do the little sisters have little shoes now? That's so cute.
Aww. These are so cute.
They are so cute. Oh, a little milk carton.
It's an ant.
Okay, you open yours. So this is new. Used to little sisters didn't have shoes, right? Used to little sisters didn't have shoes.
There's nothing in here.
Now they have little cute shoes. Oh, here, let's just see how we. So I'm waiting to open my little sister for Willow to open her thing.
Wonder what this is.
Be careful not to lose them. Because I bet they're little shoes. Did you get little shoes?
That's weird.
Oh. Oh, it's a little pearl necklace. Here, do you want to show it to them? So Willow just got a little cute little pearl necklace.
Here's my keychain.
Okay, are we ready for the big reveal?
Wait, where's my shoes?
Oh, you got, so I got shoes and you got a necklace. We got one accessory each. Okay. Do you need help?
Nah.
Okay. Sissy got, oh, she's so, oh, they're so cute. Here. I don't know their names.
I got this one.
Little Royal Hiney. You have Big Royal Hiney, right? Aw, ooh. Sissy got Little Countess, so she's like a vampire.
And mine's fabulous.
Yes. Okay, we gotta get our shoes on. Oh, wait. No, these shoes are for the big sister.
And I'm going to get her little necklace on.
Is there, so, right, Willow, these are for the big sister?
Uh-huh.
Oh, or the little, they have little things. I don't know. It looks like there's a little spot for the little sister to wear them too. So apparently there's going to be a big sister contest when the big sisters come out. So we have the big sister shoes and this really cute little bag.
Let's see how they color change.
Oh, okay. We'll be right back. We gotta get a bowl of icy cold water. We are back with our icy cold water. Oh, does she have a little passy? Ooh. She gets a cute little outfit. And her undies become striped. Ooh, and she gets glasses. 1 second. We'll leave her in there for a second.
Cute.
Alright, let's put Countess. Oh, she's starting. Okay, we'll leave them in there for a second because I think they take a little while.
Aw, they're so cute.
These are some cool color changes. I bet this whole season or series has really cool color changes.
Let me see what the names are.
But there are some boys coming.
Sissy,
and
look,
they're on my way.
in here.
That's a girl sign. So that means a girl. And then if you look at that one, that's going to be a little boy. So there's going to be new boys.
This one's a girl.
Okay, so
Girl.
this one,
And
her hair
girl.
turns black and she gets...
Girl.
Sorry.
Girl.
She gets her
Girl.
undies turn
Girl.
black and she
Girl.
gets
Boy.
some leggings. Let's try that.
Girl. So there's a girl and a boy.
Ooh,
This
and
one's
the
a
spooky
boy.
club. Ooh, cool. There's going to be a boy in the spooky
This one
club.
has a brain bag. I'm going to use the brain.
Okay. 1 second. I'm trying to show them. So her hair turns black and she gets a cute little black outfit.
Let me see the black hair.
Leave her in. And then she gets glasses and a cute little outfit and her undies get striped. That's so
Sissy,
cute.
look, she has a baby too.
That is so cute. So, thank you all for watching our LOL Series 4 Decoders. Yeah, we got some awesome stuff. Thank you all so much for watching our unboxing of our newest LOL dolls. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and should they tell them to give us a big jumbo thumbs up? Give us a big jumbo thumbs up. See you all next time. Bye.
Yeah.